Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect Metapixel to your Shopify store. So this setup can help track activity happening on your store, and I'll guide you through each step so that you know exactly where to click. So before we begin, make sure you already have a pixel created inside your Meta Business account, and once that is ready, open your Shopify admin dashboard, and from the menu on the left side, click Apps and then open the Shopify App Store. So in the search bar, type Hardcore Facebook Pixel and Feed. And once you find the app, click on it, select Install, and then confirm the installation. After the app is installed, open it from your Shopify app section. And from the menu on the left side of the app, click Facebook Pixel. And before you can connect anything, you first need to activate the app. So click Activate. So this will automatically open your Shopify theme editor. And once you are inside the theme editor, find the option for the app and switch it on. And after enabling it, go to the top right corner of the screen and then click Save. So once the changes are saved, return to the previous Shopify page. Now, open the Powercore Facebook Pixel and Feed app again. Click Facebook Pixel from the left side menu, then click Turn On. After that, look at the top right corner and click Add Pixel. And on the next screen, click Connect to start connecting your Facebook account. So continue by signing in to Facebook if needed. Choose the business account connected to the pixel that you want to use, then click Continue. And once the account is connected, click Select Business Account and choose the correct business again. And then you should then be able to select the pixel connected to that business. Next, find the Tracking on Pages section. In here, you can choose whether you want the pixel to track all the pages or only selected pages. So choose the option that works for your setup. You can also turn on Conversion API by selecting Yes. And if you enable this option, you will need to get a key from Meta Business. So open Meta Business in another tab, then click Settings. And from the Settings area, go to Data Sources, then Data Sets and Pixels, and select the pixel that you're currently setting up. And after selecting the pixel, click the Settings tab. Once your pixel is fully set up, you should see an option that allows you to generate a key. So click that option, generate the key, and then copy it. And finally, return your Shopify tab and open the Powercore Facebook Pixel and Feed app. Click the Facebook Pixel again and go back to the Conversion API section. Find the field where the key needs to be entered. Click inside it and paste the key you copied from Meta Business. And then complete the setup shown on the page, and your MetaPixel should now be connected to your Shopify store. Thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.